Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci sunglasses model GG0875S in color code 003. The color of the frame is burgundy, and the lenses are orange. These glasses also have a round shape. On its top right lens, you'll find the Gucci logo engraved. The temples are also burgundy. And you'll find the GG Gucci emblem on its temple. This is the inside of the frame. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the Gucci logo in gold, that it's made in Italy, and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 62 is for its lens, 16 is for its bridge, and 120 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary, and it has the Gucci logo in gold on the inside of its case. A Gucci dust bag, a white and black Gucci cleaning cloth, and a Gucci authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Caring. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.